Welcome to the REAP Conservation Education Program video tutorial of the components of the grant application. This video will be a highlight of the SlideRoom Online Grant Section Number 4, Milestones, Objectives, and Action Steps. Summarization of the major milestones or actions you are planning for your projects are highlighted in Section 4. This detailed timeline will assist you with meeting the time-specific needs like seasonal events, opening closing schedules, or other date-specific items. If funded, it also aids with determining a good midterm and final report due dates. Midterm reports aid with knowing if your project is on track or if adjustments need to be made. If the project is anticipated to end in February, then we would aim for a final report to be due around April after you've collected all your project data, financial documents, and other items to close out your project. Please note there is a minimum of 3 rows required for the milestones, and you can add up to 20 additional rows. Currently, there is not a functionality to move the rows around if you get them out of order. On the screen, you'll see that there are many different ways that you can fill in the actions along with the begin and end date. There are examples of specific dates. There are examples of seasonality. There's examples of leaving one portion empty for the begin date and only entering the end date, and also an ability to add in more of a narrative for different items. So there is a lot of options for you. Again, with any of our portions of our application, you're able to move around between different ones and complete them as needed. You can also choose save and exit and come back to them as you work on different items. This is the conclusion of Section 4 for milestones. And as always, if you need any assistance, please reach out.